Do you know the true power of the ClickShare button? Because plug and play is just the beginning.
From the moment you plug in the button, you're connected to the room, and everything is just a click away.
Solid white means ready to share. Just press to share, and the button turns red.
The ClickShare button will turn purple if you share the remote participants on the meeting room display. If you share both content and the remote participants, whether on a single or dual display, the ClickShare button will turn red with a purple gradient. Did you know that two people can share their screen at the same time? And ClickShare will make optimal use of your screen for maximum visibility.
But I also know how to prioritize.
A long press on the button lets you take over the whole screen.
But wait, there's more.
Pressing the smaller Quick button opens the app, giving you access to the advanced features.
Want to end the meeting? Press once more to stop sharing and unplug the button. One button, numerous possibilities. Enjoy.